our working families to remember a few things that need to happen. First, we need to fight for those jobs that are going to keep New Mexico families safe and secure. We need to fight for New Mexico families' economic security, and we can do that. We can create the new jobs, the new energy future, the new health occupation jobs, the new jobs in the film industry that are happening all over New Mexico. We can do it. But at the same time, while we've made all these investments in capital, in infrastructure, in bricks and mortar, now is the time to make a new commitment to New Mexico's families. We need to make a commitment to investing in our most valuable resource, and that is our human resource in New Mexico, in education, in healthcare, in job creation.